If TD shows service unavailable, don't panic. Quick fixes can help. First, check TD's service status page to confirm an outage or maintenance. On desktop, clear your browser cache, then refresh the TD website. On mobile, force close the TD app, reopen it, and try again. Next, check for app updates in the App Store or Google Play and install. Restart your device to apply changes and clear temporary issues. Try switching networks. Use cellular instead of Wi-Fi or vice versa. If mobile fails, try logging in on a desktop browser and vice versa. Disable VPNs or privacy extensions that might block TD's connection temporarily. If problems persist, contact TD support via secure chat or phone for help. Have your account details and a screenshot of the error ready for faster support. Quick recap: check TD status, clear cache, update, switch networks, contact support.